Lalitesh, the man responsible for the Google Maps on your phone, who's one of the technology stalwarts in India and is advising the government on technology and architecture of the Arogya Setu app, is now joining us virtually from Bangalore. Lalitesh, what makes this app the best in the world in the context of fighting COVID-19?
So I think one of the things that makes this app the best in the world is the partnership that has come together. It's a combination of some of the finest startups of India contributing their engineers, and the engineers passionately working on this, working with some of the finest minds in the government to bring it to life. From start to finish, this app came to life in 15 days, and within another 15 days of that, 2 weeks of that, we went from 0 to 50 million users. This is the fastest any app in the free world, anywhere in the world, has gone from 0 to 50 million users. And this has happened because of several reasons. One is that we have made it usable for everybody, and we create a layered architecture where for the smartphone users, you have Arogya Setu app. For the non-smartphone users, you have the Arogya Setu IVRS system that's coming up. And then anybody else who wants to reach out for help, we're going to enable on feature phones using call centers and so on. Right? So it's very, very important for everybody to be included. And the other thing we did is we made sure that we are going to only have one app to cover everybody and this crisis. So the citizen only needs to use this app for all the things that they need to do in this crisis, and all the services they need and whatever help they need. And this includes, taking this assessment and reaching out for help if they are not well. This includes, the Bluetooth contact tracing, so that you are alerted if somebody came near you who was later infected. It also includes GPS tracking, which allows the health ministry to know when somebody is infected, what are the hotspots that may have developed in the city or in the region, right? And the other thing that we did was to make this app highly usable. If you notice, we have a chat interface for asking all the questions, and that allows us to reach out to every user in India who is using WhatsApp, which is very common.